What's up, you guys? I'm Bill. I'm with Cali Moto TV. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the Street Fighter, where I'm feeling good today, guys. I'm feeling real good today. I've been out shooting some videos with the Monster 1200, and we just ran home and I picked up the Ducati, and I've been down this road once before, and I love this road. So we're heading out to Lake Hennessy, and I wanted to take you guys on another little quality time ride where I give you guys some good verbals of the bike and you guys can hear it, and we pick up the pace a little bit, and yeah, so let's get into this, and I hope you guys enjoy the ride. I'll quiet down for a few minutes and enjoy the ride. baby. All right, guys. Well, I hope you enjoyed the bonus footage. Ooh, I was feeling good back there. What's up, lovely? That's a beautiful Ducati you got there.
Right?
Someone's coming around to the monster.
I love it. I actually really like it. I took some selfies with it.
All right, guys. Well, I hope you enjoyed the ride again on the Street Fighter, but I'm back. I got to get back to work on the monster, but little extra bonus footage. Stay tuned, because I got some stuff coming to this side, and I got some stuff changing up here, and I got some stuff changing over here, and I think I got some stuff changing on the other side. So stay tuned, you guys. Thanks for sticking around for the little extra bonus footage. We will see you next video. Make sure you hit that like button, please. The like button is more important than you guys know. Subscribe if you're new to the channel. Thank you guys for coming over, but make sure you hit that subscribe button, ring that bell notification. Comment down below, how'd you love the ride? And how do you love the monster?
Love it.
So thanks, guys. We'll see you next video. Bye, guys.